Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google AI mode in search. So if you're still scrolling through pages of links to find one answer, you need to use Google AI mode in the search generative experience. It is officially changing the way we find informations, and in here I'm going to show you how you can enable the AI mode and the best way to ask the follow-up questions. So what you need to do in here, you can just find your Google and then click on the Google search in here. Sorry, not that one. You can just open Google, and then you can just click on the AI mode button in here. So you can just type the prompt, ask anything in the prompt box in here. For example, I want to just use the suggested prompt in here as an example. Let's say this one in here, and Google will give you the answers within seconds. And if you want, if you have a follow-up question here, you can just type in again. For example, you can just tap on yes if you want to answer the question from Google AI mode, and they will give you again the answer. So it will make your life easier by using the Google AI mode. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.